Hello, people, and ladies and gentlemen. This is a countdown of the Eagles vs. the Rams. And you know why I'm wearing the blue and yellow one. It's not a Rams jersey, but this is Eagles Frankfurt jersey. Where the Frankfurt they changed the Frankfurt football team. Something about Philadelphia Frankfurt football team. We search a history about it later on, so let's get the countdown real quickly. But I know this is not the LA Rams shirt. It's not the LA Rams shirt. Don't get me wrong, it's no Rams signs on there. If you see the Rams signs, if you see those, it's not the LA Rams signs. It's not say LA Rams. So don't chat about it and say, oh, Dave's from LA, or no. No. I'm from Philly. I know I am an Eagles fan. I know this is a Dan Eagles show, but this is a countdown for Eagles versus Rams. Now, I rewatched Rams versus Tennessee last night. And yeah, the defense is freaking scary. I don't know why, but we gotta handle this. But I know that our defense is going to be much better. They're going to find a way to get the tackle a ball to the other side of the field. They will find a way to get a quarterback to tackle him and sack him down all the way. We sacked down Patrick Mahomes like 3 times, but it's not enough. We did sack him like 6 or 7. I don't care. We're going to go and make it 8, so I don't care. I don't care how many snacks we going to take. I don't need no turnovers. I don't need no messing up a whole thing about turnovers. We need less turnovers, more about more about holding the ball, more like not throwing the ball until the end of the quarter. That's one of my plans. Now, the best plan is the offense. Offense. Jason Hurts. Jason Hurts, you're good. I want you to run the ball like 10 yards. Keep going to 10 yards. If you not pass the ball to Saquon Barkley or A.J. Brown or other teams other teams you'll pass around. I know you can do this. I don't want you to throw a ball. Because why? Because the Rams defense are freaking scary. I know you can handle this. I know what you do better. Saquon Barkley, try to more yards to each touchdown. And you gotta do sorry. And you gotta do better. Come on, do work. AJ Brown, I need you to focus to get more yards, get more proper work done. I know you slow up the Cowboys. I know you did, and I know you slow up with Kansas City. Yeah, you did. But I need you to follow the rhythm. Follow the rhythm in the beat, and you got the point. If you pass it to Jason Hurts, he has no problems to get a rhythm on. Just follow a rhythm. Any other defense, you got to follow a rhythm because you got to anything else. You got to be a rhythm. You got to be a rhythm. You at home. Philly is a rhythm. Philly is a life for a rhythm. Oh my god, sorry about that. I too yelled about this, but yeah, I so think about it. So yeah, I too yelled, too loud about this, but you got to be a rhythm. The LA offense, they're pretty sharp. They're not playing around. The defense is tougher and scary. We gonna do this. We gonna do it right, or we're gonna do something better. So remember this. Eagles. 1, 2, 3. EAGLES. Eagles. I want you good luck to you. But do it for rhythm.